So we're back. So it's a brand new episode of Tom vs Dale, and we're back at the Motorworks to check out the progress on the Jaguar. So you saw in the last episode that we dropped the car off and the guys had just started work on kind of changing the rear arches. So this was a process of taking front arches from front wings of the Jaguar and attaching them to the rear. And we did this because they're wider. So it allows more room for us to play with the kind of stance and how wide the wheels really are. So I know that the guys have the car in parts, so there's a lot of it here, and then the main car is over at the body shop area. So we're just going to check out what they've done so far and have a good catch up, and then the most exciting part, we're going to pick some colours. My kind of base rule with the guys, and the kind of one thing that I wanted was British Racing Green. From there I told them they could be as creative as they wanted, so they've put on some different pearls, different flecks and different kind of alterations on British Racing Green for us to pick it today. I'm a little bit nippy. We've come into autumn now, summer is long gone. So we need to get ready and wrap up warm, not only be safe, but also be snug. So,
whoa, what have you got there, Dale?
I don't think it needs any words or any explanation of what I've got right now. Hey? You know, there's been a few episodes, and I bet people only watch these to think, what's he got on this time?
Yeah. It's been a while since an episode has been live. It's been for you to wear any sort of enthusiastic clothing.
So the Jaguar enthusiasts have you know, sent over the gilet. Tell you, Jaguar owners listen to at the moment. Dua Lipa.
Oh God. Okay, that was terrible.
You don't have to put that in.
I'm going to.
Get my poppers ready.
You want to zip up?
Oh, do I? It's once the Jag life's got you, it doesn't let go. So the guys aren't here at the moment, they've just ran off. We seem to have pulled up and then they panicked and ran away. So the car is in bits. So the guys have the doors, they have the boot, they have the bumpers. And the reason I assume it's in bits like that is because they have been doing little bits and little modifications to each panel, just to kind of add that little bit more kind of air of custom to it. So with the boot lid, you'll notice this is all completely smooth, solely because it did come with a spoiler. Now, you know, we went for the sportier version that come with a sporty spoiler, and I've taken that off. The reason I've done that is because the older Jaguars that I'm really trying to celebrate with this build didn't have them. They had that kind of clean line, so I wanted to carry that through. The front bumper, we're removing kind of recesses for the number plate, and also the jets for the headlights. So we wanted to kind of give that a cleaner look and way more aggression at the front as well. So I know the guys are working on that. Then at the rear, we've got rid of the sensors for a cleaner look, for, you know, just a nice smooth finish.
What have you done with this?
So they're primed. The shell's primed, in fact.
Yeah, the whole thing is in primer.
Yeah.
I mean, apart from the front wings, but they're not there.
Yeah. So last time you guys saw, we were welding these up, and all the light filler work's done and high build priming. Shell's ready for prep. So with the quarters, I primed the whole shell, primed it all, baked it. Let anything sink, let it air out, and then I blocked the wheel arches. I just gave them a real light second prime, and yeah, we're really happy with them.
Yeah, it's mega. And like you were saying, like the original arch came down to a certain level, you've now cut up.
So in a wheel arch meets the outer around here, so leaving plenty of clearance. Arch lip fully rolled all the way around. You've
taken out any excess metal within the arch as well, so there's like no chance of rubbing or anything.
We should be good.
Stick a wheel on. Come on.
Let's get a wheel on. Let's get a wheel on.
good, isn't it? Yeah, it looks banging. Very excited. Like, such an OEM kind of mod, and I think when it's at shows and events, I think it's probably 99% of people won't even know that it's been done, which is the best kind of mod. You know, it just fits so well to the car, and I'm incredibly happy with it.
Awesome.
Because, like we said in the previous video, big wheels, big tyres, then just make the bodywork fit. That's
just rule one.
Rule number one.
Let's go look at Sprint. That way?
I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
If anyone knows me, green is my favourite colour.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's clearly.
Oh, did I never tell you?
You've never told me this.
Oh, well, we've shared
mine.
so much. Purple's yours, green's mine. You know.
Should we be friends?
So, base model. This is entry level British Racing Green.
BRG.
Yeah.
Straight up. Next, we have Green Pearl.
Ooh.
See, as soon as you said green on the phone.
This is Blue Pearl.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's Gold Pearl.
That's gold, yeah.
So that is sort of like the Tiley effect.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know about on a car. So that's British Racing Green with candy green dye over the top. So that one's candy green.
That's full on House of Colour green.
That's Leclerc's
there.
candy colours.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Which one's your favourite so far?
The green one. So that's it, so we picked the colour. So we've gone for the British Racing Green, but with the green pearl embedded into the greens.
It's cool, it's green.
So if you want the quick way round, we've gone for green with green in it, because I like green, alright?
It's going to be cool.
Yeah, it's going to be incredible. So it's British Racing Green with green pearlescent embedded into the colour. Loads of lacquer on top of that, so it kind of really bounces and kind of sings, and we want to really magnify that fleck. When you see it in the kind of like low light, it's going to look super dark and reflective, but in the sunlight, it's going to sparkle and dance and sing and look fantastic and celebrate Jags. Like, share and subscribe, tap that notification bell to be notified when the next Tom vs Dale video is released. And the next time I see the car is when it's going to be painted. I know you're going to come down when it gets painted.
We're going to have an episode without you.
Some would argue that the ones with me are fairly without me anyway. Oh, that's sad. That's really sad, wasn't it?
Horrible note to end on. Oh, well. Jack.
If you would like to take my place, please put your email address below.